Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact the customer support in LifeWorks. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your right corner and press on the more section there. Now you can just press on contact us and you can just see here the business hours, during which time they operate from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. and you can contact them by their phone number. You can simply just call them, you can visit their website and contact them like that, or through Instagram or Facebook. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.